So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes, and now this will come up. And now once we're here, you just want to copy and paste the script, which will be down below in the description. It starts with : disable Windows search, and it ends with chkdsk c:. So you just want to copy this script. We're going to highlight it, do Ctrl+C to copy it, and then go to CMD, and then do Ctrl+V to paste it. It should now paste in all of this, and your screen should look something like this. And now you want to click on enter on your keyboard, and now you want to type in Y, and then click on enter again. If you did everything correctly, it should now be saying this volume will be checked the next time the system restarts. If you messed up somewhere, then just rewatch the video. And now for the last step, we're just going to restart our computer, but keep on watching the video. So I'm going to restart the computer, keep on watching the video. And now as your computer's turning on, it's going to be saying to skip this checking, press any key. Do not press any key. You do not want to press any key. Let all the seconds load in, and it's now going to start running the scan. Now once the scan's been done, it will take you back to Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.